At that same Board of Regents meeting today, they also talked about the future of the U's partnership with Fairview Health.
mHealth Fairview has been part of the university's medical education for years, but their relationship has hit a rough patch.
Callan Gray is here with the options that are on the table. Callan?
The University of Minnesota's agreement with Fairview is set to expire at the end of 2026. The U is now exploring a possible future with Essentia Health that it says would bring $1 billion in to address challenges the medical school faces. University leadership explaining to Regents why they say it's the right path forward.
The fate and the future of the medical school and the practice is at balance.
University of Minnesota Medical School Dean Jacob Toller calling on the Board of Regents to support its All Minnesota vision, the center of which is a new proposed partnership with Essentia Health.
This is a state of urgency. This is a state of crisis. This is a state when we need partners that are not fair weather friends.
U of M leadership calling out what they say is a lack of investment by its current partner, Fairview, at facilities. From Masonic Children's Hospital,
we have a 30-year-old NICU that does not have enough beds or private rooms.
To the University of Minnesota Medical Center.
These are Fairview's facilities that they have underinvested in and chose to not upgrade, putting our physicians and our future training in a difficult place.
Fairview responding in a statement that since 2019, it's, quote, invested an average of $54.2 million per year in capital improvements at UMMC, fully complying with the investment levels previously agreed upon by Fairview, the university, and UMP in our 2018 agreements. The back and forth comes as Fairview and the university negotiate the future of the Clinics and Surgery Center joint venture at the hospital, with their agreement set to expire at the end of the year. The center is a 50-50 partnership between Fairview and University of Minnesota physicians in a university-owned building. The university wants to purchase Fairview's half as part of its broader vision.
Fairview did respond to us about the offer.
Fairview leadership in a letter questioned the terms, including that Fairview forgive more than $100 million in debt the center owes to Fairview, writing the university, quote, failed to meet the terms of our previous agreement, and we clearly need to identify a different path.
We are still waiting for Fairview to respond, to hopefully sit down at the table and have those discussions.
Fairview tells us tonight it remains open to selling its ownership stake and is prepared to engage in good faith negotiations. Several regions today offer their support to the U for its overall vision with new Essentia partnership, with one saying, we stand ready to help. Lindsay.
All right, Callan, thank you.